What's going on today, YouTube? Back with another one, BWI2ATXF, the channel, and today we're going to get into installing the remainder of the underbracing times kit. I would have went ahead and installed it when I was doing the axle back and the cross under brace, but I didn't think it was that close and that easy. But all we're going to need to do is 114, wrap that off, put it back on, torque the specs. So we're going to get right into it. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out the other video of me installing this cross underbracing and the axle back here, titanium tips. But where we were at last time, we're just gonna go a little bit further back in front of the axle, and it's gonna be this brace right here. So you got 114 here. Where's it at? Another 14 here. And then at the diff, no, I'm not using the jack solely. I do that for security sake. I do have jack stands as always. It's the other brace here. 114, 114. We're just gonna wrap that off with the impact. You probably don't need to use impact, but if you got it, use it. So right hand side is going to be the straight brace. Left hand side, driver's side, is going to be the bent one. Bent, straight. And this is what's going to go on the right hand side. Just like last time, you want to thread it through, hand thread it so there's no cross threading. And you can see the slack there. Go ahead, put a ratchet on there and then hit it with the torque. The converted torque from Newton meter. I haven't done a conversion yet, but you should be seeing it on the screen right now. And we're going to hit that with the torque. That's going to be one side done. Got that side all done. Now to pop over to the other side. First side only took about really 5 minutes if I wasn't recording. So not hard at all. So that's it. We got the full thing. This is wide view. Got it on the left hand side. This is on the right. And I did this, man, 15 minutes if you take your time. Not including jacking up the car. That might be a little bit longer. But we got an extra time sticker that we didn't install on this because I forgot to. So we're going to put this adjacent to that one. So someone comes under the car, they already know what it is. Let's do it reverse. Maybe. Let's do it that way. I'm gonna do it on the edge just so it kind of curves. That works. Been another episode of BWI2ATXF, the channel. Real quick one, real quick install, real quick video. Appreciate y'all watching. Catch y'all next time.